Alright, we're gonna make. Wait, this is the effects right here. Okay, we're gonna open it. These are the badass effects. So, which one are you gonna get? So they're right here. Pretty good. And yeah, he's gonna put them inside there. And then yeah, I'm gonna videotape it too. Just right here. And I have some more. I'm gonna make it later tomorrow. And yeah. All right, let's shoot it. Look at all these fiery fucking pops we threw. We have a whole bunch, but you know. Move. And they're pretty cool. We're gonna do more, but yeah. See, these were too strong. And later there's like fucking, oh shit, don't catch on fire. So this right here, can I smoke? And yeah, we had a legal fire exit. We had three boxes that were pretty good. Yeah, I'll show you these. Alright, let's do it. Come on.
Hey, you're lighting it now.
Huh?
You're gonna light it.
Alright. Alright, this one, I'm gonna light it. Say it burns, but I don't know.
I thought you said it was a car.
See the lighter?
I thought you said it was a car.
Just gonna do 2 videos.
Put the light in there?
Oh, yeah. So,
You don't have any more pipes.
I don't know about these, but look at them. Look at inside. Whoa. Hold up. So it broke. I don't know what we're gonna do with them. Look at these over here. And put some more, but I'll show you guys. I mean 4th of July.
See,
You wanna get another tube?
you don't have any more. Send me light.
We can't do it no more.
Imagine this shit just pops.
I don't know.
Oh, there's one in there.
Oh, you still got that one?
Yeah,
Oh,
this one
put,
broke.
put those in the long tube.
Yeah.
No, not this one.
Yeah,
Look inside.
Yeah, oh, that's the one that came in?
Look inside though.
Here, look. You guys want to pop this?
it got ruined.
Yeah.
Huh?
Those? Yeah.
It got ruined.
Yeah, look. It
No, there's another one.
Oh.
There's another one. No,
that one's too big.
that's too big. Hold on. I'll show you guys right now.
Where's the light?
Well, what's that one right there, huh?
This?
Yeah. No, this one. Oh, you guys see it? Hold on. I got it. See, if you could, you didn't do the skyrockets? Those skyrockets, do them right here.
Alright.
Okay, and hold it up. And down right there, do it on this one. You guys picked up everything right there and put them right here?
Hey, show the light.
No, you guys, where do all that shit right there went to?
For what?
We had another bag and we already threw it.
Oh, you did? This is what?
Oh, here.
Where's it at? Yeah, you need another one, smaller one. Yeah, 'cause you know what? It's cool when it goes down, but I did 2 with my son. One of them go down, and when it goes down, it lifts up and everything, and it don't go that high. The other one goes higher. That shit was sweat right there. It had fear. I don't see none of those. So. They're right here. Look. Oh, there's more.
I know, that's why we're gonna pop them.
Oh, hell yeah. I'm gonna keep going.
Yeah.
Who brought this one?
Me.
Huh?
Me.
Oh, you brought them? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Can I have one?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, okay, thank you. Now, yeah, I'll show you guys right now. I get one for my son. I just have him pop it in a bit. I had some skyrockets. I was giving away. Everybody already. Those. I had those skyrockets.
Yeah.
Just put them inside those and just pop them up. Just a lot of dust. This one's fine. Fine. You can do it right there in the middle of the street. Just be careful. You have a light?
Yeah.
There you go.
And make sure this was nothing happens.
You doing more?
I know that.
Want me to do it?
Whoa!
All right.
He's in solar. Hey, but just make sure the match is sticking out like that. The way you put it right now, just make sure it's like that. You're good.
See? That's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
I said you don't go back. There's the other one. No, but don't do it right here.
Yeah.
Don't put it though. Yeah. There you go.
I'm gonna do one more video. You do it, Mark. Do you want to do it?
Burns. This shit burns.
Alright. Let me see.
Oh wait, I was thinking the wrong side.
You want to do it, Papa?
Dude, there's a car. Never mind.
What is that? Are you shit. Oh, it's fucking close. Alright, hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and